A couple of months ago, I was shouting about my neck being different from my skin, my body. But today, because I've taken this aspect of my life seriously, I can now step out in confidence, and I urge you to also do so. Hi beauties, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ruki. I'm a makeup artist or a beauty artist based in Abuja, Nigeria. So you know, when I was struggling with my skin, when I was always complaining about my neck being different from my body, and I started a journey of blending my skin, a journey of an even skin tone. So we started with turmeric. If you have been following my channel, you'll see the turmeric experiment I did, which worked perfectly. Today, I am going to walk you through another natural skincare routine using lemon, egg, and milk. So the purpose of this is simple. It's to help you brighten the skin, reduce excess oil, tighten pores. It can make fine lines disappear like a magic. It promotes a natural glow. Look at my face. Look at how glowy I look. Imagine having a skin you can step out with in confidence like this. Just all you have to do is use your lip gloss, your mascara, and then set your brows, and then you are good to go. And then this also eliminates uneven skin tone. Before I get into the details of this skincare routine, let's get to know our ingredients. Number one is lemon and lemon zest. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and citric acid. Lemon helps exfoliate dead skin cell, tighten dark spots, and control excess oil. The zest on its own contains essential oil that offers antibacterial and brightening properties. Milk on its own is a gentle cleanser. It is packed with lactic acid. Milk helps hydrate skin. Like, you needed to come close to my skin. My skin is so hydrated. Soften texture. My skin is soft, like not that kind of soft, like you need, I don't know how to say this, but I just want you to try it and then come back for a review. And then mildly exfoliate for smoother finish. This doesn't hurt you at all. It's not something that's gonna hurt you. It's not something that is going to give you maybe another mark, some kind of skincare routine that you go through, and at the end of the day you end up regretting it. This is not the type at all. Then egg whites, it improves skin texture with regular use. Like, you've seen a lot of people using egg whites all the time. It minimizes fine lines, but it's temporal. If you something that you want to do, you want to go for an event, and if you have a very deep fine line and you need something that will cancel it for your makeup, because this can actually affect your makeup. Small little things you do at the event, like laughing, can take your makeup. So this is something you can actually do for 3 nights or 3 days before the event, just to cancel your fine lines, and then your makeup will be perfect. Remember, I'm a makeup artist. And I'm into beauty in general. So my job is to help you find solution. Like, you can call me a healer. Then it helps drop out blackhead. When you have pimple, like those that used to have pimple, that they'll force it out. Watch this video till the end, where I'll be giving you tips on what not to do with it, because this is not the regular lemon skincare routine that we do. So before we move on with this video, I kindly subscribe if you are coming across my channel for the first time, and don't forget to put on your notification button. And to my returning subscriber, please kindly like, send your comment. I always like to get your review. You don't even know whom is the comment is helping under the comment section. So kindly send in your comments and your reviews about what you feel about this video. See you in the comment section while the video continues. So I started by washing the lemon clean. You have to wash it clean. Make sure the lemon is clean. If you have a clean towel, you can actually dry it. But I don't have that. I'm going to continue with my zesting. So here is my grater which I'm using to zest the lemon peel. So I'm zesting it out. All the back. I'm going to zest all written at the back. Okay, I think I need to switch because I might just end up breaking my egg. So I continue zesting my lemon until the whole back is zested. And one thing about lemon zest is this: it's not something you should be using in the afternoon. This is one of the things that some people do not know or understand. If you are going to be using lemon zest on your skin, it has to be in the night because it can cause you burn. So in order not to burn yourself or burn your face, it's advisable to use it at night. So I'm done zesting and you can see what we came up with. And this lemon is not useless because I'm going to cut it and then also juice it out. You can see this particular side is not good, and reason why I don't know zest that area. And then to my egg white here, I'm also going to remove the yolk out of this egg. All I need here is egg white. So I'm pouring the egg white into the milk, the lemon zest, and the lemon juice. I hope you are taking note. It's as simple as this. It's as simple as this. So now that I'm done, I'm going to whip it, whisk, 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 whisk. I'm going to whip it. Then after whipping, I wet my face. You see, this is what it looks like. I have the lemon zest under there. I have milk. I have lemon juice. So I whisk it out, blend together for perfect use. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is wetting my face. I need to wet my face before applying the lemon. And you can see there's one small pimple there. By the time I was done, this pimple was no longer in that area. That is the power of this skincare routine. And I urge you to do this at home, especially if you don't have time for spa or you don't have money. This is good for you. So I'm wetting my face. Whatever skincare you are doing, all this natural skincare, make sure you wash up first. Not with soap though. Just make sure your body is wet before you apply. So I applied them gently. Whether you want to be gentle or not, just apply and be careful not to take this into your eyes. Like, keep away from your eyes, please. Please, I am begging you. So concentrate on the areas you want. I'm actually going to do this all over my face, my neck, my shoulder. And one of the tips I would like to give you is about natural skincare exercise is always extend it to your neck and your shoulder. This allow your skin to be even and then smooth. I mean, you won't find any hyperpigmentation or around your neck area or your body or anywhere in around you. You can see what I look like. Not like I'm looking bad though. I'm not looking bad. There was no proper light. It's just my bathroom light that I use here. But you could still see my neck. And after everything, I was amazed. Here, after applying it, I left it for like 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes. No, I think I even spent like 30 minutes because I was doing something else. Then look at it, it's all dried up. How will you know if it's dried, right? Because it becomes cakey. Like, if you want to know how it has dried, it becomes very dry, cakey, and then opening your mouth can even be an issue. So it's easier to know once it's dried up. You wash up, and please don't forget to moisturize your face. People say they don't rub anything on their face, and it is wrong. You even have cream, even if you cannot buy sunscreen, moisturizer, or anything. Use Vaseline, use shea butter, use something. Be gentle with your skin, your face especially. So this was me. This is the first day, and which is gonna be the only day I'm showing you, because I'm going to repeat this process for 3 nights. See you. So I hope you enjoyed this. Now that we are back, I hope you learned something, and I hope you're going to try this at home. Especially if you are dragging with your skin. Look at my skin now. A couple of months ago, I was shouting about my neck being different from my skin, my body, my hand, my face, my leg. But today, because I've taken this aspect of my life seriously, I can now step out in confidence, and I urge you to also do so. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. If you are coming across my channel for the very first time, kindly stop by to subscribe and then put on your notification button so that when a new video is up, you can always get a notification. See you in my next video. Bye.